A multitude of oil-derived products are used in the medical field. Latex gloves, medical tubes, medical syringes, adhesives, bandages, hand sanitizers, cleaning agents, prosthetics, artificial heart valves, resuscitation masks, stethoscopes, MRI scanners, insulin pens, infusion bags, medication packaging, face masks, and personal protection equipment are derived from petroleum-based materials. The equipment used in medical research, such as microscopes, test tubes, and goggles, contain petroleum-derived components. Many pills and painkillers have a plastic coating to make swallowing them easier. The chemical synthesis that creates aspirin begins with benzene, which is derived from petroleum. Petroleum products have been instrumental in advances in medical science. Oil changed everything.